Whether you're young or simply young at heart, there's nothing like a good cartoon to lift your spirits or instill a sense of wonder. We've put together a list of some of the best sites to watch cartoons online for free, so get ready for a good time. If you're a parent looking for some free entertainment for your kids, please be aware that not all cartoons are suitable for children. I've mentioned when websites cater exclusively to adult viewers, but many streaming sites host both types of cartoon, so parental guidance is always recommended. First up, we have YouTube. YouTube has just about every sort of content you can imagine. That includes original cartoons as well as uploads of classic movies. Some cartoon uploads are illegal and will be taken down eventually by copyright claims. But some old cartoons no longer have anyone to make copyright claims, making YouTube a good place to preserve them. Some channels, such as Retro Rerun, seem to have the right permissions in place to offer free cartoons with no risk of them being taken down. Adult Swim, which obviously is for adults only. Adult Swim is responsible for some of the weirdest cult animation ever made, with titles like 12-Ounce Mouse, Assy McGee, and Aqua Teen Hunger Force, to name but a few. Recently they've become known for Rick and Morty, which is a phenomenal show. You can watch full episodes of these very much adult shows on their site or on the Adult Swim app. Crunchyroll. Crunchyroll is dedicated to animation from Japan, generally referred to as anime. Most of these shows are aimed at teens or adults, so do be careful when looking for entertainment suitable for younger viewers. Crunchyroll is free to watch, but you do have to put up with a lot of advertising. You also can't watch the latest episodes of shows as soon as they release, so you'll always be a little behind. A premium membership isn't too expensive however, so consider paying if you like the Crunchyroll library. Warner Bros. Kids. Warner Bros. Kids is a fantastic site hosting complete segments from classic shows such as Scooby-Doo and Animaniacs. The videos are hosted on YouTube and you can watch them there. The WB Kids site organizes them and makes it easy to find what you're looking for. Best of all, the content here isn't region locked to the USA, so kids all over the world get to watch them. ToonJet. ToonJet offers classic cartoons that you might not see anywhere else. You can enjoy classics such as Betty Boop, Felix the Cat, and the Looney Tunes. This is another site where the videos are actually hosted on YouTube. But apart from organizing the content, the site also serves as a host for the ToonJet blog and community. If these sites aren't enough to satisfy your animation craving, check out the article linked below for even more options. See you next time.